Hello there. If you're a foot enthusiast or an aspiring model, then you're in the right place. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live a day in the life of a foot model? Well, today I'm going to take you along on my journey into the fascinating world of foot modeling with FeetFinder. We're talking about more than just pretty pictures. It's a full-on lifestyle, if I could call it that. From my morning routine to prep my feet for the spotlight to the ins and outs of professional foot photo shooting, all of the little secrets in between, I'm here to reveal it all to you. So you're welcome. Buckle up and get ready for an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour where every step is a pose and every moment is an opportunity to shine. Dive into the day of a foot model and discover the glitz, glamour, and hard work that goes into making those toes camera ready. Rise and shine. My day begins with some essential morning rituals. Ritual is so important. So I eat a healthy breakfast to fuel my body, and I absolutely pamper my feet to ensure that these little stars are camera ready. I'm talking about hydration, a touch of exfoliation, and maybe a splash of color on those nails. Right now, I'm feeling green. These morning moments set the tone for a successful day ahead and really make me feel ready to take on anything. Now, on to the exciting part, photo shoot prep. Selecting the right footwear and accessories is key. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for a date. You want to impress. I'm going to go through how to match shoes with my mood that I want to convey because, listen, shoes are a whole feeling. Whether it's playful and fun or sleek and sophisticated, every choice is a step towards your perfect shot. Time to go digital. Are you ready to kickstart your foot modeling adventure? Well, let's hop on to FeetFinder.com together. Registering is as simple as can be. It's a real breeze. After you're verified, a whole new world of opportunities open up. So picture this. There's no cap on how many images you can create, whether it's candid barefoot moments, stylish shots in your favorite flats, or any creative concept that tickles your fancy. FeetFinder is your platform to shine. So come on, let's get you registered and let's start capturing those fabulous foot photos. Lights, camera, action! Welcome to the heart of foot modeling, the photo shoot. This is where we turn simple moments into stunning art. And today I'm pulling back the curtain to show you my full process. We start by setting the scene. I choose backgrounds that complement my feet. I select props that add character, and I adjust the lighting to create the perfect mood. Then it's all about finding those poses that make your feet look their best. You'll see how I position my feet, experimenting with different angles to highlight their shape and features. And let's not forget the lighting. It's like the magic wand of photography. I'll demonstrate how to use shadows and highlights to add depth and drama to your shots. Whether it's a soft glow for a cozy feel or a bright setup for high energy, lighting can change everything and makes everything better. So get ready to take notes as we dive into creating those Insta-worthy foot photos that capture the essence of beauty and style in every single frame. And that's a wrap on our behind-the-scenes journey with FeetFinder. From morning prep to the flash of the camera, we've covered it all. And remember, foot modeling is an art, and FeetFinder is your canvas. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of foot modeling. Head on over to FeetFinder.com for more and keep those feet in the spotlight. Here's to making every step count in your foot modeling adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on this foot-tastic journey. Stay fabulous, keep those feet camera ready, and continue exploring the exciting world of foot modeling. See you in the next video with more tips, tricks, and insider secrets.